Alright, doing this on my phone. I don't have my camera. We're ready to press. The pressing. Got nice machine blocks on that machine surface. Steel plate. I got my race up there. And we're going to slowly start making our way down. Yep. Yep. Hold on, take two.
It could be the stand. You gotta watch this stupid thing. See how the leg kicks out?
Yeah. Okay, hold on a second. Pause you. Okay, we're back. Had to straighten some stuff out. Hopefully we can drive this down. I'm trying to do this one-handed. She's cocking again. So I'm gonna have to bring you back. I can't. I gotta be paying attention to this. So I'll pause you. Let's try this again. Yeah, we're going crook. So it keeps, I'm centered, it's just it keeps going like this, so I gotta reset it, go to the other side, back again. Alright. That is seated at the right hand of the pinion. Wow. A little nerve-wracking. You see how offset I am? His pin, he bent this pin so it's, if you center it, you want it to take the bearing and roll it this way. So this is the only way it went straight down. Alright, we're going to flip it around. We're going to do the second one. And when we get done, I'm just going to pull this off. And we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to pause you and I'll be back in a second. Just hit the red button, that's all you have to do. Good? Yep. Alright, we're going to try this one now.
There you go.
Alright, she's cocking. I'm going to have to reset it.
Yep, put it in the middle. It's the vise. The vise is crooked because this part's bent here. Press. I'm sorry. Vise, press.
Tomato, 220, 221. Who's counting?
Yeah.
Well, the thing weren't even that tight.
I understand that. What wasn't tight?
The lug nuts under the truck.
One was really loose.
It's alright. I was hoping the wheels fell off.
It's a Ford.
Yeah, you know, going 200 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Back
there's
of,
90 on the
the back of a tow truck. Screaming off a cliff on fire.
It was still a Ford tow truck though.
Yeah, that's where they
No,
belong.
anything off a cliff can do 140.
Thanks for that information, Tony.
You can feel the Ford love in here.
There you go. You're free now.
Yeah, I don't like the popping though.
Yeah, it's the press. Trust me.
It's the pressing?
It's the pressing. And make for the
You
press.
notice how I keep doing this?
Yep.
Just in case.
You want to play with your bearings, got it.
I want to play with my bearings. I did all this just to do this.
I know.
I'm happy now.
It's
I can
exciting.
die happy. Alright, we're just about there. Gotta make sure. I feel like I'm hitting on this nut little step. I'm gonna have to move that push race there. It's not. There it is. Now it is. So what are you working on, Joe?
Which right now I'm swapping wheels out on a truck that I'm going to be replacing soon.
You see daylight underneath the car, underneath the race? I don't.
I don't see it either. Looks like it's there.
That's it. 15 minutes of stupidity.
And 5 minutes of work.
Alright. And there's a raised lip, and that goes right over the top. That's why I hogged that out, because this steps up. When this sits down on top of that shelf there, you go up past, your carrier goes up past the burn. So this carrier is ready to go.
There you go.
And let's just show you stuff, Joe.
Nah.
Look, Ford.
Ford.
Ford bed. There's a Ford bed. And we have carrier bearings pressed on. 300 pound nest spring. Clutches are in. This carrier is ready to go. Now I gotta figure out how to put it all together.
Good luck with that.
Alright, so this is that for this video. I'd like to thank my cousin Joe, personally. Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome.
Let me use this now. I gotta put it away.
Yeah, I gotta take it apart, fix that.
Yeah. Did a lot of work with this already.
Okay.
Alright. Peace.